Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you the ultrasound effect in Davinci, but before we do that, my name is Rico Richardson and welcome back to my channel. I upload weekly videos on Davinci and Darktable, so if that's something that you're into, please consider subscribing. Now, let's start with the video. Right, and here we have the video that we're going to work with. I'm going to play it, you will see the baby jumping, and now let me tell you how to achieve this. And I guess I won't be showing you how to edit this because this is our ultrasound. Guys, we're going to become parents. I'm going to become a father. I'm very excited about this. Lisa is due in May 2021 and it's an absolute miracle and I'm filled with joy and it's a new chapter in our life and I'm very thrilled and I don't know what to expect other than I'm like super happy. I don't even have the words for it. So I'm sorry, we're not going to edit this video, but we told all our friends and all our family members, and I wanted to tell you as well because you're part of my friends as well. And if you want to see more of me, please click that playlist over there. And if you haven't subscribed already, you can do so by clicking that button down there. And for this week, there's only one more thing left for me to say, which is make love to the like button. And until next time, doei!